Hello, this is I am Acharya, and today I am testing event booking application designed by Sunil Adhikari. So the first question is here, and let's log in and book now. Okay, so I think let's give it a 5 now. Second question: how easy was it to find and book a venue for your event? So it's to find, and here are the categories, and we booked from the home screen. So how easy was it to switch between different tasks such as searching for venues, managing favorites, and inviting guests? Searching for venue, managing favorite, and investing guest. So to search, we just click here, and there are a bunch of searches. So and we can go back from here. Royal place, put it to favorites. We can go back and managing favorites, and favorites are here. So these are our favorite list, and this is 4. To save a to save a favorite place, we just clicked in this button right here, and it's saved to the favorites. This was good. How simple was it to access and modify the settings? To access the settings, we can go here and settings, general, back, and it's quite easy to manage the settings. And we can also change the appearance from here, from this button right here. It's to invite other people, we just click in this button right here, and this button we can send the link from Google, Instagram, Facebook, and Viber. We can also send the code for the invite. So from Google we can share it from here, and from Instagram, just it's quite easy to invite other people to your event. Did the application provide consistent feedback after each action you took? It provides consistent feedback. Suppose when you invite somebody to your event, right here, it shows thank you for inviting. This is one of the feedbacks, and we can go back from here. Yes. How easy was it to undo and redo actions within the application? So let's see. Uh, let's add it to favorites, and it can be removed from favorites, as well as add and remove. Now we can go back, and let's do It's quite easy to undo and redo actions within the applications. Did you find interface consistent across different actions of the application? The interface is quite consistent. We can see right here. It goes back, forward. From here we can go categories, and we can go to home, settings, feedback, about, logout, bunch of different activities, and this is our profile. So the interface is quite consistent across different sections of the application. How well did the app support for easy reversal? Uh, um, let's see the number 11. How well did the app support easy reversal of actions? So first of all, let's switch to light mode and dark mode. You can see that it is reversible. Now let's try to log out, and let's click on no. So this action is also reversible. So it is quite good. Did you feel in control of your actions while using the app? Yes, we can feel that we are in control while using the app. Hotels, banquet, and resort. The navigation is very easy in this design. Yeah, we can see clearly from here. Yes, I felt comfortable. How clear were the shortcuts or accelerators for experienced users? For the experienced users, this model provides a bunch of shortcuts. For example, uh, your saved venues are provided over here in the favorites tab. You can invite people from here, and the bookings you already made are also visible from this bookings tab. So this is shortcuts are excellent in this model. How well did the app's interface match your expectations and mental models? This app's interface matched my expectations pretty well. So let's give it a 4. Where important actions and information easily visible and accessible. Yes, the important actions and information were easily visible and accessible. For example, I can switch from light mode to dark mode from the home tab. We can go to the profile section. We can and change our details, personal details. So in this section, we can edit our personal. We can edit our personal details like our name, mobile number, email address, gender, marital status, and booking updates can also be accessible from here. So we can save this information by clicking this button right here and close. We can also access the settings from here. Home, my bookings, saved. These are also present over here, but we can also navigate from this tab. And in the settings tab we can see general notification settings and bunch of other important actions for this model. So the important actions were easily accessible through this model. How well did the app perform in terms of system responsiveness and speed? The app is quite responsive, although some efforts can be made to make it more easier to navigate. Just for example, when we click side of here, for example, when we click just beside it, this page becomes unresponsive. So we can also work on that part. So I want to give it a 4. Were there any instances where you felt the app lacked flexibility or efficiency? Quite frankly, no. Did you find the text size and contrast in the app comfortable to read? Yes. Were the interactive elements easily tappable or clickable? Yes, some of them are clickable, but the designer can work on this button right here to make it more responsive. For example, we can see it's not working, so when we don't click it properly. So I'm neutral on this. Did you find any accessible features in this application? Yes, we can find accessibility features in this application, just like dark mode and light mode from here. We can also go to the settings, change the languages, automatic language detection, language switching options, and switching shortcuts and voice supports in this application. So these are some of the accessibility features for this model. Did the app provide clear instruction for completing the tasks? Yes, this app provides clear information for completing some tasks. For example, when I book this event and confirm booking, make payment, and it shows that the payment was successful and the booking was made successfully. Were there any areas where you felt more visual or auditory feedback was needed? There were no such areas. What did you like most about using the app? It's easy to use, user friendly, smooth for using. UI design can be improved more. The only thing I disliked was the back button. The back button part. Others are very good in this application. How likely are you to recommend this app to other planning events? I'd like to give this 5. What additional features or improvement would you like to see in this app? Nothing. Did you find any features particularly confusing or difficult to use? This also I didn't find any features difficult to use. How would you rate your experience with the venue search and functionality? The venue search and functionality is easy. We can search the venues from this part right here, and some recent searches are also shown. These are some of the recent searches that the user might have made. Yeah, I'd like to give this a 5. How easy was it to compare to different venues? Let's compare some venues from here. So one venue I'd like to compare is Hyatt Regency. So here we can see the accommodations and its addresses and its features of this place. And another one I'd like to compare with Hyatt Regency is the Royal Palace. We can see its address, its phone number, and its features of this venue. So it's quite easy to compare different venues. I'd like to give it a 4. The designers can make some improvements on that. So yes.